hope you're doing great. Welcome on board with us. Guys, today I'm here to present reliable and unbiased piece of information about Orbi TV reviews and complaints 2019. So guys, stay tuned with me to fill your cup of knowledge and watch the video till the end, and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, I just wanted to ask question to you people. Wanted to have an affordable satellite TV at your place, or you wanted to have a 50% discount on the best satellite TV? If yes, you can check it out, the Orbi TV reviews, and be a part of Orbi.com website. So guys, yes, it is an affordable website TV as it claims to be one of the top one, and they are giving you the sale, 50% sale, and the limited time offer is from September 4 to September 7. They give you the package in just $40 and the free local channels. No internet needed on the TV, no contract is there. You can easily going to get it at your place. So guys, when we get the information about is Orbi TV available in the area, we'll find that if it is available or not available in your area, you have to check it out on its official website. You need to enter your full address. If your address is available on its site, then it will going to get you information. Orbi TV is available in every state except Hawaii and Alaska. Except for these two cities, it is available. You can check out the availability on clicking on check availability option. So guys, the website says do not wait, come home to $40 month satellite TV. They give you free local channels at Orbi TV. The local channels are always free, the way they should be. The site claims to be the most TV customers are actually paying to watch local channels at sometimes up to $15 month. But they claims to give you the free local channels at zero amount. So you're going to get the channel ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, PBS, Ion Television, Telemundo, Unimas, True Crime, Love, My TV, Grit, Me TV, this network. That is 15 local channels. So check your local channels, click here, and the reception availability may vary from location to location. Maybe in some locations, some channels are not available. So check your option, that is local channels are available or not, by clicking over the yellow button. So guys, yes, before moving ahead, do like and share as it will motivate us to do better. So guys, if you wanted to know about Orbi TV packages, we're going to tell you, we reveal out to you. So as per the information, choose a low cost Orbi TV package you want each month. They give you the prices best in the town, include taxes and fees, as they proclaims to be one of the cheapest mode of satellite TV. The essential package starts from $40 per month, and in which you're going to get Discovery, AMC, Nick, CNN, History, Food, TLC, Lifetime, Comedy Central, Animal Planet, Paramount Network, Newsmax, MTV, CMT, MTV, BBC, Motor, Rent, Hallmark, and many more options are available. You can check it out on the website. The website says if you want to have more, add package at any time. You can easily add on your package. You can add on channel, except for these channels you can add on. The extra package is $10 per month. And if you wanted to have military history, family, LR, Discovery, then Discovery America, Destination America, Nicktoons, Familia, History, you can easily get it via paying $10 extra. The premium packages involve HBO, HBO2, HBO Signature, HBO Comedy. Get it in $10 per month. Cinemax more than 5-star Max at $12 per month. And at $9 per month, you're going to get Starts, Encore, Westerns, and many other options. At $6 per month, you're going to get Epix versions of channels. So guys, the monthly price include all the taxes and fees. You must have the essential package to add other packages also. So they say, how does Orbi TV compare to cable? Orbi TV is $40 per month and the cable is $107 per month. So I think it's an affordable option for you to choose. It's easy to get started with Orbi TV. It is very easy, as according to them, you need to follow the following options. Buy the Orbi TV receiver or DVR. Then just buy the install the package for just $25. Includes basic installation for one room Orbi TV satellite dish, TV antenna, $50 per room. You are in control. Choose a package each month. and you can easily go ahead with it. The sale is going on for 4th September to 7th September at $99. You can go and check it out as per your pocket. They say that they do not make your buy expensive sports network. The taxes and fees included in one monthly price. They do not own fancy vans. They negotiated low prices with top tier installers. Their customers says some few points. You can check it out on the website. So guys, as with the information, we found that many customers are happy about the Orbi TV and they're having good response and reviews about the satellite TV and they're loving it. Some are facing problems, as they say, the satellite problems, and they're having issues with the network. It depends upon guys, customer to customer and their experience and basically their location. So guys, yes, for more information, check it out the website and the customer reviews online. So guys, yes, if you found our information fruitful and helpful, do like, share, comment, and for the latest news and updates, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day ahead. Be safe and be informed.